the letters are the forms that our matter, our desire, we receive from the Creator. In other words, every letter is some new form of mine in which I am to some extent similar to the Creator. And all the forms that I can receive, of course, it's from the Creator. They come to me and they build me with 22 of these forms, and in addition the 5 ending letters, mansepach. And then from that I receive vessels to create from these forms all kinds of words. In other words, actions. When I transition from one state to the next, when I do all kinds of actions and transition from one state to the next, and by that I'm having a dialogue with the Creator. I'm reaching out to Him. By changing from myself, from within me, through the forms that I build myself, I accept it upon myself, by that I express to Him my desire, the language. And then He understands me, and also He begins from these 27 symbols, these letters, He starts talking to me. And then we understand each other. We have a mutual language. I can know Him once I've received from Him these 27 forms, and then I identify every time what form He's reaching out to me. That's why the structure is received from the Creator. They come from Zat of Binah, Zer Anpin and Malchut, from the upper system to the soul. And once the soul is included of them, it can respond talking through these 22 plus 5, 27 forms back to the Creator. And then there is a dialogue between the Creator and the created being. And in this dialogue, the created being can receive from the Creator all of the wisdom and all of His history and all of His purpose, and he himself can be a partner with the Creator, and what they have between them is a dialogue.